We're on the way to Playa Blanca from Jacó. Quick little day in Jacó. To the beach, to Playa Blanca. We had to turn off because the main road ended. Horses and cows, cows and horses. Down the dirt road. Oh my gosh, back to the main road.
Yep, and then
dips and dumps and speed and bumps, okay? Yeah. There was so much, we were bouncing all over the place, but William got us through. And
Bravo! Buen conductor!
Woo! Yeah, Punta Leona is cute. Look at all these little communities through here, big houses. We're looking for parking now, and then we're gonna walk. So we'll see the beach soon.
All right, we have arrived at Playa Mantas. And it looks nice. All right, we're here and Brandon is already in the water. I don't know if you can see him there. Yeah, he's there in the water. Yeah, and it is beautiful here. All right, so we're now walking to Playa Blanca.
From Playa Mantas.
From Playa Mantas, so you got to go around this little mountain right here. So this is Playa Mantas, and we're walking over here to Playa Blanca. Mi español es malo, malo, malo.
Like Monterey. They were not playing when they were talking about a little mountain.
All right, coming over La Montañita. It's pretty. Wow.
Turn it down.
So this is one of the things I love about Costa Rica. This behind me is a turtle's nest. There's eggs behind that fence, and they have security 24/7. This guy's there watching the eggs. There you go.